Welcome back to Learning with the Difference, news headlines in English for 30th June. And first of all, national news. Leopard entered washroom of Mumbai school, rescued by Forest Department. Centre wants to give jobs to BJP workers, Mamata Banerjee on Agnipath. Rohingya repatriation to be on agenda during Bangladesh PM's India visit. Youth addicted to gambling enacts abduction drama, arrested from Goa casino. India on Wednesday successfully tested high-speed expendable aerial targets Abhyas. Supreme Court rejected pleas challenging proposer requirement in president poll. Thousands witnessed Lord Jagannath's Navjabana ritual after 2-year gap. The government has issued a notice to Twitter to comply with all its past orders by July 4, an official source said on Wednesday. Elections for Vice President will be held on August 6, the Election Commission announced on Wednesday. K.K. Venugopal agreed to continue as Attorney General for 3 more months. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor on Wednesday flagged off first batch of Amarnath pilgrims. Incessant rain battered Arunachal Pradesh on Wednesday, 2 died. And now some international news. US open probe as 51 migrants die in sweltering truck. Indian women with 109 live animals in their luggage arrested at Bangkok airport. Philippine news website, co-founded by Nobel laureate, ordered to shut down. Tesla shuts an office in San Mateo, California as layoff hits autopilot jobs, even hourly ones. US woman who led $1 billion solar scam, jailed for 11 years. Biden announced US military air, sea, land reinforcements in Europe. Israel headed towards snap election, Yair Lapid said to be PM. And now some sports news. NEERAJ Chopra primed to win medal in Stockholm Diamond League. Sri Lanka vs Australia first test day 1 highlights. Usman Khwaja solid after Australia bowled out Sri Lanka for 212. The latest tickets will go on sale online from July 5 at 12 p.m. on August 16, FIFA said in a press release. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.